Using a sales funnel, nurturing leads to convert them into sales is something that's been around since the beginning of time. It just sounded a little bit different. Today, everyone uses the same method to do this between social media, SEO, paid advertisements, etc. But what if I told you that there is a new way to nurture leads and to convert your leads into actual sales? The new way to do this is through a sales funnel and using ClickFunnels. Hi, I'm Krista Mashore here, and today we're going to talk about using sales funnels to nurture your leads and to turn them into actual conversions. Hey, before we get into this, if you like my content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, you've got tons of leads now coming in, right? Now what? Depending on what type of company you work for or business you have, in most cases, people are not just calling up and walking right up into your office right away and saying, hey, I want to work with you right now. No, of course they're not. People, especially these days, they actually do their research. So once you've actually gotten that lead, you want to nurture it by helping them feel actual comfortable with you to get them to want to work with you, and staying top of mind awareness to them is actually essential. Understand that when somebody reaches out to you or engages in some form of way by looking you up on social media or on your website or even by requesting one of your lead magnets, they're not usually ready to work with you right away. Things take time. That's why the lead nurturing process is imperative. To really have a great lead nurturing process, it's important that you have a very good CRM, which is a customer relations manager, and that you're constantly making contact with them. What forms of contact should you be making? Emailing, phone calling, text messaging, video text messaging, video email, in person, as much as possible, of course, and getting on the phone. And it's communicating, not just to say, hi, remember me. It's to offer valuable information that you've already developed in your funnel. Or it can be answering their specific questions or offering to serve them in some way. Yes, it can be a lot of work, but much of it actually can be pre-planned and absolutely automated. However, letting this step go or not just taking it very, very seriously is where so many businesses actually fail. Everyone wants immediate gratification, right? They want clients right now. But the truth of the matter is that usually when people reach out to you the first time, they're just researching. They're not ready. So you've got to stay in front of them. You've got to be top of mind, and you have to be forefront in their minds. You can grab a free 2-week trial of ClickFunnels by going to KristaMashore.com/ClickFunnels. That's KristaMashore.com/ClickFunnels. So get creative in your business and with your funnel. And once you've given them some valuable content and they've expressed some interest by giving you contact information, how can you keep them engaged? What else can you bring to them? What can you offer them that is helpful and establishes you as the authority? It's important to figure out your strategy so that it's automatic, you're prepared, and you actually know what path you're leading them to. Your funnel may change over time as you get new ideas. It doesn't have to be perfect. The important thing is just to start with something and not just to sit on it. Action is key. Again, I'm Krista Mashore. Let me know what you think about commenting. And as always, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and smash the thumbs up button if you like this content and you want to see more of it. And as always, I'm here to help. Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.